It's another cloudy start to this Wednesday over the eastern parts of South Africa. There could be some morning drizzle along the eastern escarpment, but clear weather for the western half of the country, apart from a bank of low cloud along the west coast that could also cause lower daytime temperatures. Thunderstorms are likely, especially for the eastern half of the country this afternoon. Some of these storms can also drift towards the eastern coastline. In fact, the South African Weather Service issued a watch for severe thunderstorms over the interior of KwaZulu-Natal, the southern highveld of Mpumalanga and the northeastern parts of the Eastern Cape. In a similar area, we're expecting scattered thunderstorms today, including the central and eastern Free State. Isolated thunderstorms are likely in Gauteng and northwest this afternoon, with a very low risk of thunder activity over the far eastern parts of the Northern Cape today. It's going to be a very hot day in the Northern Cape, with a high of 36 degrees in Kimberley, 40 in Uppington, Sutherland with a maximum of 30 degrees. A warm day for the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal as well, 28 in Pietermaritzburg and Durban, Bombela reaching a high of 26, and a warm afternoon in Pretoria with a maximum of 27 degrees. Now let's take a closer look at the forecast for the coastline of South Africa. Apart from the bank of low cloud and fog along the west coast, moderate southwesterlies up to 20 kilometers per hour with an open ocean swell of 2.5 meters. Stronger winds towards Langebaan with speeds up to 35 kilometers per hour, and it's going to be another windy day for the southwestern Cape coastline with moderate winds in the vicinity of Cape Agulhas and an open ocean swell coming in from the southwest at 2.5 meters. For the south coast today, the onshore circulation persists, so we're expecting some low cloud here. Very pleasant conditions towards Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth with slightly less cloud. 20 km per hour winds for Mossel Bay and Plet with an open ocean swell of 2 meters. For the east coast today, we're expecting high tide just before 1 o'clock this afternoon. Onshore winds for East London with an open ocean swell of 1.5 meters, while we're expecting northeasterlies reaching 25 kilometers per hour in Durban and Richards Bay.